Hello friends and welcome to Parks Crafty Creations, where we make sewing fun and easy. I'm your host Brian Parks, and today I'm going to show you how to use one of my absolute favorite presser feet, the Overcast Foot, also known as the Overlock foot, to give your fabric edges a professional finish without needing a serger. Before we begin, if you enjoy this content, be sure to give us a like below, as it really does help out the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell icon so you'll always be notified whenever a new video drops. If you've ever wanted that clean, overlocked edge but don't have a serger, this tutorial is for you. Let's jump right in. An overcast foot is a special presser foot designed to prevent fabric edges from fraying while mimicking the look of a serger stitch. It guides the fabric and stitches over the edge for a neat, durable finish. Sergers are wonderful machines and can produce unique stitches and effects beyond trimming and finishing edges. However, not everyone has the space or budget for a dedicated serger. It may also rarely get used, which results in a lot of money for a machine that sits in a corner most of the time. But an overcast foot can provide a similar effect using a regular sewing machine, taking up virtually no extra space. And these presser feet can be purchased if one didn't already come with your machine, generally for only a few dollars. It's great for beginners who want to improve seam finishes without the complexity of a serger. It's also great for finishing edges where it might be impossible for a traditional serger to reach, or comes with too much risk of damaging the project. The overcast foot is easy to attach and use, making it a versatile tool for various sewing projects. Attach the overcast foot to your sewing machine. Select the appropriate stitch. Most machines have an overcast stitch, or even several varieties, for various applications, but a zigzag stitch works just as well, and for simplicity's sake, that's what we'll be sticking with today. It's advisable to consult your owner's manual before making any adjustments to the default overlock stitches provided by your machine. For instance, my machine, the Singer Quantum Stylist, specifically warns against altering the default overlock stitches. However, if you're using the zigzag stitch, adjust the stitch width and length as needed to suit your fabric type and clear the center bar in the presser foot, so you don't break your needle. Align the fabric edge with the guide on the overcast foot. Start sewing slowly, letting the machine stitch over the edge while keeping the fabric steady. Maintain a consistent speed and let the foot do the work of guiding the fabric. Continue sewing to the end and trim any excess thread. The overcast foot provides a clean finish, but doesn't trim the fabric like a serger. A serger is faster for large projects, but requires more thread and setup. The overcast foot is ideal for small projects, beginners, and those who don't want to invest in a serger. And there you have it. The overcast foot is a fantastic alternative to a serger for giving your seams a professional finish. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Parks Crafty Creations for more sewing tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what sewing techniques you'd like to see next. I'm Brian Parks for Parks Crafty Creations. We'll see you next time.